do have a wonderful company. And one of the things that people are telling me all the time about our company is how the way we operate with each other, the way we collaborate with each other. And a big part of this is our culture. And, you know, we've, from the beginning, always believed in having a strong culture at Macadamian and being intentional about building a strong culture. And recently we've embarked on, I guess, a new adventure of evolving our culture. And, you know, out of this came some pretty deep stuff and some lighter stuff. But all in all, what we're experiencing here at Macadamian is that it's very important that we focus on the customer, and for that, you know, we have to trust ourselves. We also have to be passionate about what we do, and we have to also take into account that a lot of it is about learning, and you know, you have to throw in a little bit of craziness into this, and we call this being nutty, being Macadamian. Nutty, you know, play on words, that's how we saw it, and we thought it was funny. And you know, the collaboration aspect of Macadamian is also very important. Being intentional is something that we truly believe in as well, because nothing happens if you're not going to put your full intent behind it. And that's what I think I appreciate of all the people here, is how intentional they are about making things happen for our customers that are, we all believe anyway, the most important people in this business to be able to be helpful to, kind of thing.
What's really great about working at Macadamian is that you're the only limit to your full potential. Macadamian enables each and every one of its employees to reach his full potential. So you can learn new stuff on a daily basis, you can try new things, you can get responsibilities that you wouldn't be able to get elsewhere. And Macadamian actually encouraged that, encouraged the initiatives, encouraged the creativity and the ideas. And at the end of the day, you're responsible to make it happen.
I want you to be working on things that you're actually passionate about, whether it's design, whether it's development, whether it's one little corner of the technology world that you are extremely excited about and would want to share with everyone. And here you have the opportunity to do that. Learning, if people want to learn, we're starting to put out UI bar camps, we have dev sync ups, we have discussions that are purely technical, we have training budgets, and we send out people to conferences. So it's whatever you need to grow, we will try and make that happen, so that you can grow in your career, you can grow in the path that you have chosen for yourself, in the technology you have chosen for yourself.
So one of the things that inspires me the most about Macadamian is that I'm surrounded by a number of people that are all passionate about the work they do as well. I feel that passion is a central quality of human life, and that we should be living life with hope and excitement and wonder, and really feel that we're utilizing those talents that we possess. And I feel I can do that here at Macadamian.
Macadamian's an awesome place. I mean, when I walk in the door, I see passion and I see quality. People care about what they build, and people love what they do.
One of the things I really love about working at Macadamian is this culture of nuttiness that we've got going on here. And when I say that, I don't mean that people are running around here going crazy all the time. Nutty to us means being experimental, trying new things, pushing the boundaries, and empowering the staff to use their expertise to the best of their ability. And what the result of that is some really great products and some real creative new software applications.
The thing that stands out for me the most is the autonomy and trust that I am granted at Macadamian. I know that my decisions will be supported, that I can come in and I can decide what my day is going to look like, and I can really drive where my career is going. I've always experienced that from when I started here, that it sounds cheesy, but I really can drive. I can steer my own ship in that way, and I am granted that trust, that I know what I'm doing and that I can make the right decisions without being micromanaged about it, and it turns out.
of the things that are really special about this place is just the way that we celebrate things that happen around the office, whether that's something like an anniversary. I mean, we make a big deal of our anniversary party every year, and you know, it's a big deal to be around for one more year as a software company, right? So it's something to be celebrated, and we celebrate really small things as well. So, you know, if you do something that you think is really good, you'll just pull somebody over and say, hey, look at this thing I did, and they'll celebrate it with you, whether that's just a pat on the back or grabbing more people over to look at it and just to acknowledge the good work that's being done.
We find every opportunity to celebrate, right? Like, there's always something we can find to celebrate. Like, for instance, if we wanna, for instance, today we had an Armenian lunch day. Small events like this which make Macadamian what it is, right? It makes the work environment fun and easygoing and flexible, and it's a great place to be.